Best deals. 1. Storage basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized and within reach, ensuring a stress-free cooking experience every time. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Travel bottles. Made of FDA-approved and BPA-free food-grade silicone, making it safe for other liquids like sauce, salad dressing or even baby food. All of our travel-size bottles for toiletries are see-through, and well under the 3.5-ounce, 100 milliliters restriction for taking onto all airline planes. Adjustable labels will stop any confusion. Use it as a travel shampoo bottle set or travel containers for cosmetics and lotion. Each of the empty bottles for liquid is 100% reusable, so you can travel with this travel kit bottle set over and over again. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bath mats. A natural diatomaceous earth bath mat holds exceptional absorbency and moisture-wicking properties that quickly evaporate water from the surface. The bath stone requires minimal maintenance and is built to last a long time compared to other types of mats. Its absorbency can even be restored using a simple sanding tool. The simple and elegant design of the bath stone makes it a perfect addition for pools. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Trash bag dispenser. Easily install this garbage bag storage box without drilling or damaging your walls. Comes with strong adhesive backing, perfect for smooth surfaces in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Shoe brush. The crepe wood brush gently and thoroughly removes soiling and stains from suede and nubuck. It works perfectly with any cleaning kit such as sprays, erasers. And you can also use it to clean your furniture. Softness texture of the natural crepe makes it perfect for cleaning leather and restoring the texture to matted down areas. This shoe cleaning brush isn't just good for shoes, it can also be used for other suede and nubuck leather products like belts, bags, or even couches or sofas. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap stand holder. Designed with a no-drill wall-mounted mechanism using strong magic adhesive stickers that securely attach to any smooth surface, tile, glass, or metal, ensuring easy installation without damaging walls. The quirky fish shape adds a playful and decorative touch. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Callus remover. Easily remove dead skin and stubborn calluses with the Winston Callus Remover's strong motor, leaving your feet smooth and soft. Choose between a coarse roller head for tough calluses and a fine head for gentle exfoliation and maintenance. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Magic eraser. No chemicals, no harsh substances used. Designed for everyday homes and stains such as marker pens, crayons or pencils on wall, built-up grease on hobs, grime on appliances. Use the magic eraser to clean all the stubborn stains in your house with easy circular motions. It does not leave any scratches. Magic eraser pack contains 4 chemical-free, non-toxic, antibacterial, smart grip magic erasers. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Soap dispenser. Crafted from durable ceramic with a smooth stoneware matte finish, these accessories feature an abstract human face design. The liquid dispenser is easy to maintain, just simply wipe with a damp cloth. Its stoneware texture and unique design make it an ideal soap holder for bathroom. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Shower mat. Made of eco-friendly premium TPE and PP material that is BPA-free, latex-free, phthalate-free and non-toxic. This shower floor mat covers 24 inches by 17.7 inches of surface, leaving a good amount of activity area and fits most bathtubs or bathroom floors. The stylish neutral colors fits your home decor gorgeously. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Toothbrush holders. Comes with a ventilation hole near the bottom to allow air circulation instead of gathering a pool of water, good ventilation performance and drain water off quickly. It has an ideal size and has a perfect storage capacity. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Hair brush cleaner. The bristles are designed to reach into narrow gaps of any comb teeth, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning process. Try our hair brush cleaner to see for yourself. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Sterilizer. Working modes including time cycle sterilization for efficient and safe sterilization, turbofan drying, and heating plate and fan alternating drying with auto cycle sterilization every 8 hours, efficient and safe toothbrush sanitizer using 4 high-efficiency UVC LED lamp beads with fast sterilization up to 99.9% and overheat protection technology. Elegant toothbrush sanitizer holder with smooth corners and delicate surface craftsmanship. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strip guard. You can easily install by tearing the red film on the surface, and can also cut the size as needed. This door bottom seal strip can effectively keep the cold air from escaping and prevent heat loss, and help you reduce the electric cost in summer or in winter. It is very useful for preventing dust, light, sound, moisture, smoke, and weather from entering under the door. Green environmental protection silica gel, non-toxic and tasteless, keep your space tidy and well protected. Made of environmentally friendly materials, built to last and enhance the overall quality and comfort of your living space. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Soap holder. Prevents the soap dish from sliding. It can effectively prevent the soap dispenser from falling. No matter the soap is large or small, it can be safely contained in the soap box and easy to use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Strainer. The flexible silicone design easily fits over most standard drain openings and catches hair and other debris before it clogs your pipes. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bathroom soap holder. Self-adhesive design allows for quick wall mounting without drilling, perfect for bathroom and kitchen use. Built-in drainage tray keeps soap dry and prevents water accumulation, extending soap life and maintaining cleanliness. Made from high-quality matte black plastic material that resists rust and daily wear and tear. Spacious tray accommodates standard-sized soap bars, sponges, and scrubbers with raised edges to prevent items from sliding. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Soap dispenser. Crafted from robust plastic, this hand wash dispenser ensures lasting durability and effectiveness, ideal for regular use. Its sturdy construction withstands wear and tear, while the easy-to-clean plastic simplifies maintenance, making it reliable for dispensing various liquids and gels in diverse settings. Each of the two chambers can hold up to 350 milliliters individually, allowing flexible use such as pairing disinfectant with soap. Product link is given in the 18th link.